Hey everyone, this is the lab lit up. Current configuration. So the tools. But we are going to be changing things up a little. Oh yes, we're going to be doing another unboxing. Not today, probably this weekend or Monday. So you guys are going to have to wait to see what's in the box. You can pretty much tell what it is by the name on the box. So it is going to be something cool. You guys like, subscribe, get notified, and you'll get to see the unboxing. It'll probably be Monday. Hope it'll be Monday. Maybe sooner. Depends on how I feel. So, see you later.